Another secret of taking care of your locks, the towel that you use for your locks should not be the same towel that you use for your body eye. Yeah, you should have a different. You see, for me, I won't use any, but my hair will be lying because I've used a brush. Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sue Henry, back again with a new video. So today guys, I'm here with a spray bottle. Yes, this is a spray bottle. As you can see from the video's title, I'm going to show you how to make a solution that you can use to spray your locks. Remember not to ever keep your locks dry. Water and locks are best friends, but so that we can add some nutrients to our locks, we need not only water, we need to add some essential oils in our bottle so that our locks can be strong and maybe to avoid thinning and to make our locks strong. So guys, if you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just hit that subscription button. It's absolutely free. It's free. Then next to that subscription button, there is a bell. Click that bell. It's a notification bell that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's do this. Okay guys, I have my spray bottle. I bought this from Best Lady. It's easy to use. It's small, so it has a nozzle. Here is a nozzle. So in this spray bottle, I'll put water, plain water, and 2 essential oils in it so that I can mix. I usually make this solution that will last me for maybe 1 week. 1 week or so. So guys, let's do this. So as I said, I have plain water. This is my plain water, clean water. I'll put this inside here. You put enough. If you want for a week, that's okay. If you want for a month, you put that the one will be enough for you for the time that you want to use it. Actually, you can put this water in this spray bottle, but remember you can't travel with this spray bottle. This is so big for you to travel. You can then get another smaller spray bottle that can be in your bag. Anytime that you feel your locks are dry, just remove the spray bottle from your bag and spray your locks. Spray your locks, keep them moisturized. So after putting the water, I'll come in with my oil. I usually use Alison coconut oil and olive oil, but this is so little. It's almost finished. So this is what I use. This is what I use for my locks. It's coconut oil, Alison coconut and olive oil. It has coconut oil and olive oil. By the way, it's sweet smelling. I love it for that because it's sweet smelling. Other than the plain coconut oil, that's why I love this. This has a sweet smell. So if you're sensitive to good smell, go for this. So I'll use this. You add it to water. Remember, when you're spraying your locks, you will spray your locks and still the locks will be oiled. Imagine. So after you spray your locks, the water have oil, so no need to keep on oiling your locks anymore. So you are done. It makes it easy, like you spray and the water has oil. How easy is that? So for those of us who live early in the morning and we are so much in a hurry to make our hair and leave, here we are, something so easy to do. in the morning. So after I put my oil, something else I'll use rose water. There is that rose water that has glycerin, but for me, I'm not using the glycerin rose water. I'm using the plain rose water, Allison, from Allison too. I think I love Allison because even the coconut oil is Allison's. Huh? Okay. Okay. So I have rose water. This one, by the way, you can also use it as a primer on your face for those who do makeups. This can also be a primer for your face. So I'll add this too. You just add enough. Yeah. With those three components, I have my moisturizer ready. Then after you put them, remember to mix, shake well before use. Yeah, this is shake well before use. You shake until it mixes. Remember, this is water and oil, so it's hard for them to mix. So before you use it, you have to first shake, then use. Okay. I get to my hair. I want to be a semi-free former. Semi-free former means you sometimes retouch and sometimes you leave your hair to breathe. Like now, I have like 2 weeks. Is it 2 or 3? 3 weeks without a retouch on this hair. And I feel it's still nice. Still good for me. So, this is the hair. This is how my hair looks. You can see how dry it is. It's very dry. The hair is dry. Yeah, you can see. You can see even the inside. The hair is dry but clean. But clean. It's dry but clean, right? Yeah. I love cleaning my locks anytime that I feel like I want to clean it. Because my hair is dry, I'm going to come in with my tray. But I told you, before you use this, after you make this solution, every time before you use it, you have to shake well. As you can see, just at now, you can see there is separation between the oil and the water. So that you can get the mixture into your hair, you have to always shake it before use. Okay? So I'll shake. And shake. Then you can see. Maybe it has a nice smell. I can feel the smell of the Allison coconut oil and olive oil. You should spread generously because, like for me, the hair is so dry. When you color your hair, be ready to always moisturize because the color makes the hair more dry than the one that doesn't have the dye. So when you dye your hair, make sure you always moisturize the hair frequently. But when doing this, you'll be ready for the flowing water on your neck. So you can have a towel or something to dry off the water Let me get one. Another secret of taking care of your locks: the towel that you use for your locks should not be the same towel that you use for your body. Yeah, you should have a different towel for your body and a different one for your hair. Anyway, I don't know how you feel about that, guys, but please comment down below and tell me, is the towel that you use for your hair the same one that you use for your body? Just comment below and let me know. My hair is moisturized. You can see there is a difference in texture. Then inside the hair is shiny. I don't know if you can see, guys. When you look at the inside, the hair is shiny because of the oil. Because of the oils that I've added in my water, the hair is shiny. I can feel like it's oil. It's oiled. Can you see that, guys? Can you see? I feel like I've oiled my hair. So once I'm done, I like treating my hair with total love and care. So I usually come in with a brush. This is a brush, a shoe brush, but make sure the shoe brush is soft. So this is what I do. This is a soft shoe brush, actually from Butter. You can see the soft one, not the hard one, the soft one. So I usually come in with this, then I brush my hair from behind. Can you see? I brush my hair from behind like this, then go in line by line. This helps to, your hair has full circulation of blood and helps it to grow. Take care of your locks with love. Once you treat your locks with love, they will also respond with love. My loctician always tells me locks have a brain. So when you treat them well, they treat you back well by growing so well. You can see it's shiny and oily. Just look at that, people. Look at my hair. Look at that. So sweet, right? Locked hair doesn't have to be hard always. When you take good care of your hair, it doesn't have to be hard always, and will not have issues with buildup. Buildup is those whitish things that get between the locks because of too much wax. That's why I avoid waxing my hair so frequently. I'm trying to be a semi-free former. Semi-free former is when you retouch your locks once in a while, and there is also free former. Free former is you do not retouch your locks at all. That's a free former. But for me, I'm a semi-free former. I sometimes retouch my hair and I sometimes don't. Like now, I haven't retouched my hair and still loving it. So when I brush it like this, it doesn't tangle. There won't be so much tangling of my locks. After this, I'll hold them in a ponytail. Yeah, even the front part, I'll brush it through. Let me show you something. Look at that. Avoid gelling, avoid gels. Gels will bring buildup on your hair, because I usually see people after cleaning their hair, they don't want it to be so shaggy, so they usually use gels. Don't use gels on your locks. You see, for me I won't use any, but my hair will be lying because I've used a brush. So the secret is a brush, a shoe brush. But maybe if you know something else that I can use other than this brush, please comment below and let me know. Let's learn. Yeah, for me I use this. For now I use the brush. It works magic for me. So after I'm done moisturizing my hair, I'll hold my hair in a ponytail. Actually, something I didn't mention, do not use so much water that will keep running down your face and your neck the whole day. No, just a little water that will be enough for your locks. Okay, right now they are moist. The point here is moisturizing the locks, not wetting the locks. Okay, so use the water that won't keep running down your face, your neck. And yeah, you can see right now I don't have any water, and during the application of the moisturizer or the application of the water will flow. But after you massage your hair, after you brush in your hair, the too much water will not be there. So do not then use so much water that the whole day will keep running on your face. No, we are not moisturizing our faces with water. It's only the locks. Okay guys, so after that I'm going to hold my hair on a ponytail.
To me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface, and I could walk for days searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Once I'm done, I come back with my brush. I brush it backward. See guys, see? I don't have to apply anything else on this hair. Not at all. Not at all. See? And that's it. So guys, that's bring us to the end of my video. If you've not subscribed, just remember to subscribe. And see you on my next video.